So starting the test drive in this 2500 HD, the DURAMAX here is such a strong powertrain. Paired with the Allison transmission, it's just a strong powertrain to be pulling with. That's why it's built such a name for itself over the years. But it's also just fun to drive in general. It's relatively quick, again, very strong. Love the sounds there. I mean, it's a turbo diesel V8. But the inside of this truck, I like the SLT because it feels very, very luxurious, even though this is a heavy duty pickup. And just the way that it drives, it's a heavy duty truck, you can tell, but again, just having the cooled seats and being on the leather and just having this nice looking interior really makes it easier to handle. Let me give it a pull here. Here we go. So was not flooring that by any means, but still got up to speed very quickly. But I do want to give another big thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, this thing scoots, and with this being a heavy duty truck, it's still a pickup truck, so when it goes down the road, it's relatively smooth, even with the heavier leaf springs and things of that nature, but you feel the bumps a bit more. What you would expect, again, from a 3/4 ton truck. But honestly, the sound acoustics in here are very good. And not a lot of, I mean, I hear the tires, but it's not like overly intrusive, even though this has the X31 off-road package. But I showed the tow figures earlier. I think this one almost does 20,000 gooseneck or fifth wheel, so lots of towing capacity there as well to go with a very nice truck inside and out. Now for the money, I think you do get quite a bit here, especially for it to be a heavy duty truck. One of these in a work truck configuration or something like that will run you probably 20 grand less, but I mean, this gets you quite a bit in terms of options. First of all, just having the DURAMAX is a big plus, but having the power sunroof, having the power sliding window, love having the adaptive cruise on a truck like this. Heated cooled seats. Again, for it to be a heavy duty truck, it has all the amenities that you'd expect in an SLT trim in a GMC. Probably even more than you'd expect in a lot of them. And honestly, I can tell that they've come a long way because we have the dual seats with this package that have power and power lumbar support, which is huge, I think, for a heavy duty truck. Other than in like the Platinums and the limited heavy duty Fords, I really don't remember seeing a power lumbar support for the front passenger. But just having the all digital display is nice. The blind spot monitors, the drive modes, you only get normal and off-road, but especially with the X31 package, that's a nice touch as well. And again, you know you're in a heavy duty truck, but the amenities feel like what you'd expect in any old Denali, honestly. And you can see just how quiet this is just going down the road. The 10-speed helps, but we're right at 1,000 RPMs, just cruising. I'm getting 24 miles a gallon right now. But a really nice heavy duty truck at that. Again, it's got the capability, it has four-wheel drive, it has a ton of amenities, but it just has a little bit more for those that want something that's not necessarily flashy, but that's very nice inside and out for a 3/4 ton truck. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Sierra 2500 HD SLT.